Remember, basically in the quadratic equation part, in the equation chapter, there are going to be 4 types of questions. There are going to be 4 types of questions. In the chapter of equations, there could be 4 types of questions. And what are those 4 types of questions? What are those 4 types of questions? Those 4 types of questions are type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Okay. Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. These are the 4 types of questions. Finish. Better, no? Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. These are the 4 types of questions. हो भी गया. बरोबर ना? बरोबर ना? नहीं मिळे ना? नहीं मिळे ना? So there are 4 types of questions, and what are those? The first one is any equation given, you have to solve. Any equation is given. Any equation is given, and we had to solve it. We had to solve it. Then second type are the word problems. Second type, type 2, will be of word problems. Second type is going to be of the word problems. Third type means type number 3 is going to be based on quadratic equation. That is going to be based on quadratic equation. And the last type is going to be the problem based on cubic equation. That is going to be on cubic equation. जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. Now remember, any equation is given. We go from answer to question. We go from answer to question. Value of x. Value of x. The value of x for which? Value of x for which? Value of x for which LHS equal to RHS is the right choice. This is the shortcut. We are not going to solve it by complicated mathematical computations. Is the right choice. Choice for which LHS is equal to RHS is the right choice. LHS is equal to RHS is the right choice. The choice for which the values of x are such that LHS is equal to RHS, that is the right choice. ये तुमको समझाएगा. In word problems, again, what will you do? You will go from answer to question. You will again go from answer to question. Make a list of conditions given in the problem. Make list of conditions given in the problem. Conditions given in the problem. And the choice that satisfies all conditions. Choice that satisfies all conditions. Choice that satisfies all conditions is the right choice. Choice that satisfies all conditions is the right choice. No need bana. Choice that satisfies all conditions is the right choice. Quadratic equation we shall study separately, and in cubic equation find the first root. Find the first root by trial and error method. By trial and error method. Trial and error method by taking x equal to 1, -1, 2, -2, etc. and the other two roots are found by synthetic division method. The other two roots are found by synthetic division method. By the synthetic division method. Other two roots are found by the synthetic division method. अबे ऐसा मत कहो सर सिंथेटिक मत यूज करो, अभी ये गर्मी का सीजन है, सिंथेटिक से परेशानी होगी। ऐसा मत कहो अभी कॉटन यूज करो, सिंथेटिक मत यूज करो। समझे क्या? कॉटन डिवीजन ऐसा मत कहो, लिखो। Come on, write down. Come on, write down. Other values are found by the synthetic division method. Other values are found by the synthetic division method. Synthetic division method. हो म्हणा बाळांनो, हो असं म्हणा. तुमका हो गया है क्या? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? ये तुम्हारा हो गया है क्या? ओके ओके, ये तुमने लिखा है क्या? ये तुमने लिखा है क्या? ये तुमने लिखा है क्या? Is this clear to you? In that case, I want your complete concentration. In that case, I start with the only remaining explanation that we had to get is quadratic equation. Now remember, the general form of the quadratic equation is general form ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the roots or solution is given by the solution are given by the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus, this is root of b square minus 4ac and that divided by 2a. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac and that divided by 2a. Now the one root is alpha. Alpha is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Minus b plus b square minus 4ac over 2a. देखो मेरी तरफ, b square minus 4ac and that over 2a. and the other root is beta is equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac and that by 2a. तो एक रूट में हम बीच में प्लस साइन लेते हैं, एक रूट में बीच में हम माइनस साइन लेते हैं. एक रूट में हम प्लस साइन लेते हैं तो दूसरे रूट में हम माइनस साइन लेते हैं. नो ये तुमको समझा है क्या? This we know, this you did in 9th standard, 10th standard as well. So there is nothing new in this. There is nothing new in this. This is the school level of mathematics. Now, as an example, I ask you solve the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Will you try this by the formula? Would you try this by the formula? Would you try this by the formula? Could you solve it using the formula? So tell me A is what? Comparing. A means coefficient of x square. That A is 1. B is coefficient of x. That B is minus 5. And C is the constant, which is 6. Therefore, x is equal to formula लिखो minus b plus or minus this is root of b square minus 4ac and that divided by this is 2a. That divided by this is 2a. So this x is equal to this is minus of minus 5 plus or minus this is root of. Now minus 5 का square 25 minus 4 into 1 into 6 and that divided by 2a. But 2a is 1. So this is 2 into 1. Therefore this x is equal to 5 plus or minus. This root is 25 minus 24 and that divided by 2. So it is 5 plus or minus square root of 1 that divided by 2. So the one root is 5 plus 1 by 2 and the other root is 5 minus 1 by 2 and that is 3 and 2. That is 3 and 2. Remember that is 3 and 2. So the two roots being 3 and 2. The two roots being 3 and 2. ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? But remember, 3 and 2, these are the real roots and they are the rational numbers. They are real and rational. Rational मतलब क्या? Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8. These are the irrationals. These are the irrationals and the remaining are rationals. And the remaining are rationals. बाळांनो हो गया. So these are real. Real is a broader class and rational is the part of that. So these are the real and rational roots. These are the real and rational roots. Now I ask you the second equation is x square plus 4x and plus 4 that is equal to 0. इसको solve करो. x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. इसको तुम solve करो. x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. इसको तुम solve करो. Again identify what is the value of A. Identify what is the value of B. Identify what is the value of C. So A is 1 and B is 4 and C is 4. Check and confirm. So X is equal to minus B means minus 4 plus or minus this is root of. This is 16 minus 4 into 1. And that divided by 2 into 1. So this is minus 4 plus or minus this is root of 0 and that by 2a, that is 2. So minus 4 plus 0 by 2 and minus 4 minus 0 by 2. That means these roots are minus 2 and minus 2. That means these roots are minus 2 and minus 2. Remember, quadratic equation always has two roots. So you should not say minus 2. You have to say minus 2 and minus 2. You have to say that the roots are minus 2 and minus 2. And therefore try to understand here the roots are real, but they are equal. These are real and equal. These are real and equal. They are equal, not different, not distinct. They are equal. Then I ask you the question as a third. I tell you to solve this equation x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. करो solve. X square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. बाळांनो इसको तुम solve करो. A की वैल्यू डिटरमिन करो, B की वैल्यू डिटरमिन करो, C की वैल्यू डिटरमिन करो, substitute and tell me x is what. You have to tell me that x is what. Tell me x is what. For that matter, you have A is 1, B is 1, and C is minus 1. Then x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus, this is root of. Now this is 1 square minus 4 into A is 1 and into minus 1. And that divided by 2. That divided by 2. So this is minus 1 plus or minus, this will be root of 5. And that by 2. That by 2. So the one root is going to be minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. And the other root is minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. And then I can split this numerator as minus 1 by 2 plus root 5 by 2. And this is minus 1 by 2 minus root 5 by 2. बाड़ा नो ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? Is this clear to you? And therefore these roots, like when root 5 comes, it becomes irrational. So these roots are irrational. These roots are irrational. Root 5, root 6, once again I tell you, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10, root 11, root 12, these are irrationals. Square root of non-square is irrational. अभी यहाँ समझने की कोशिश करो, they are real. Real is a broader category, but among real they are irrational. Real के अंदर आता है irrational. और फिर एक में प्लस साइन है और एक में माइनस साइन है. ऐसा जब होता है तो they are the conjugates of each other. They are the irrational conjugates of each other. They are the irrational conjugates of each other. ये conjugate का मतलब होता है if one root is a plus root b, other has to be a minus root b. If one root is 2 plus root 3, other root has to be 2 minus root 3. If one root is 3 plus root 10, other root has to be 3 minus root 10. They are conjugates of each other. They are irrational conjugates of each other. They are the irrational conjugates of each other. बाळांनो हो ना. हो असं म्हणा. Then I ask you as a fourth example, and you will solve, I will wait. X square plus x, that plus 1 is 0. करो बरं try. x square plus 1 is equal to I. x square plus 1 is equal to I. तुम इसको ट्राई करो. x square plus 1 is equal to I. ट्राई करो. So meanwhile A is 1, B is 1, and C is 1 as well. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus, this is root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 into 1 and that over 2. So that is minus 1 plus or minus, this is root of minus 3 and that over 2. But remember, square root of negative sign is imaginary number. एक बात समझने की कोशिश करो कि रूट ऑफ -1 is imaginary number I. Root of -1 is an imaginary number I. So this could be written as -1 plus or minus, this is root 3 and root of -1 is I and that divided by 2. ये तुमको समझा है क्या? Square root of -2 is root 2 into root of -1, which is root 2 into I. Square root of -3 is root 3 into root of -1, which is root 3 into I. Square root of -4 is square root of 4 into square root of -1, this is 2 into I. इसको तुम समझने की कोशिश करो. And then this is equal to, this is minus 1 by 2 plus or minus, this is root 3 by 2, that into I. Minus 1 by 2 plus or minus, this is root 3 by 2, that into I. Minus 1 by 2 plus or minus, this is root 3 by 2, that into I. So I can say that this is minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into I. And minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 into I. हे बाळांनो, तुम्हाला कळलं का? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? But remember, therefore, when I comes in picture, these roots become the complex roots. These roots become the complex roots. अभी इसमें भी देखो कि एक के बीच में प्लस है और दूसरे के बीच में माइनस है, तो they are the complex conjugates of each other. They are the complex conjugates of each other. So if one root is a plus ib, other root is a minus ib. If one root is 3 plus 12, other root is 3 minus 12. If one root is minus 2 plus I, another root is minus 2 minus I. समझने की कोशिश करो कि these roots are the complex conjugates. These roots are the complex conjugates. इसको बाळांनो तुम समझने की कोशिश करो, क्योंकि करेंगे कोशिश तो मिलेगी कशिश. करेंगे कोशिश तो मिलेगी कशिश. कशिश नाम की एक लड़की है क्या 12th स्टैंडर्ड में, लेकिन वो नहीं तुमको मिलने वाली. हाँ, वो मैं लड़की को बोलूंगा ना, करेंगी कोशिश तो मिलेगा आशीष. करेगी कोशिश तो मिलेगा आशीष. काय मनीषा, करेगी कोशिश तो मिलेगा आशीष. अभी तू ही ढूंढ ले ये आशीष कौन है. हमने तो बस कह दिया तुमको एक सिर्फ वन मंत्र करे की कोशिश तो मिलेगा आशीष। ओके, ये आपका हो गया है क्या? इतना सारा आपका लिख कर हो गया है क्या? ये इतना आपका लिख कर हो गया है क्या? Then I take a specific problem. I then take a specific problem. I ask you find the value of. Find the value of. Find the value of. Write down. Find the value of. Find the value of 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus dot 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 up till infinity. Find the value of this. This is a very typical problem. I expect that it would be there possibly in your attempt. हाँ, 4 की जगह 5 हो सकता है, 5 की जगह 6 हो सकता है, 6 की जगह 3 हो सकता है, but type is important. अभी तुम मेरे को बोलो, how do you read this? Tell me how do you read this? देखा वो सोपा है, हम उसके तरफ देखेंगे और फिर रीड करेंगे 4 प्लस वगैरह। ये सोपा है। हाउ डू यू रीड में जगह हमारे को आंखें है, हम हमारी आंखों से देखेंगे। ये अगर तुम कहेंगे तो हम तुमको बोलेंगे कह रहे आंखों से देखना छोड़ो, आपकी उम्र आंखों में कुछ देखने की है। आंखों से देखना बंद करो, अभी आंखों में देखना शुरू करो। काय देवडीकर काका, देवडीकर काका, तो फिर अभी तुम मेरे तरफ देखो, तो फिर अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। लुक एट मी, हाउ डू यू रीड? देखो क्या होता है कि आई कंसिडर दिस एज 4 प्लस 1 अपॉन 4 प्लस 1 अपॉन 4 प्लस 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon. So you can see that the pattern 4 plus 1 upon, this pattern is getting repeated. This is getting repeated infinitely many times. That is getting repeated infinitely many times. जरा मेरी तरफ देखो, 4 plus 1 upon something is getting repeated infinitely many times. 4 plus 1 upon something. तो अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, ये ऐसा जो पैटर्न है वो है इंफिनिटी। तो फिर मैं क्या करूंगा, ये पहला जो है सो x इज इक्वल टू 4 प्लस 1 अपॉन, इसको सेपरेट करूंगा। आई शैल कंसिडर दिस सेपरेटली। देखो मेरी तरफ, आई वुड कंसिडर दिस सेपरेटली and then you can understand that 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon ये जो पूरा पैटर्न है वो once again x है, that is again x। 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon ये again x ही है, because that is coming infinitely many times। Well, infinity minus 1 is infinity। infinity में से एक को चुरा लिया तो फिर infinity infinity ही रहता है। मेरा ना, मेरा ना, मेरा ना, infinitely many hearts we are interested in। We are interested in infinitely many hearts। हमको infinitely many दिल में इंटरेस्ट रहता है। लेकिन उसमें से एक दिल की शादी हो गई तो भी इंफिनिटी इंफिनिटी रहेगा, एक दिल की शादी भी हो गई तो बाकी बचे भी इंफिनिटी रहेंगे। अरे हो गए नहीं। अगर तुमको इनफाइनाइटली मेनी बॉयफ्रेंड्स है, इनफाइनाइटली मेनी बॉयफ्रेंड्स है और फिर उसमें से एक बॉयफ्रेंड की दूसरी के साथ शादी हो गई तो रिमेनिंग आर ऑल्सो इंफिनिटी, तो फिर रिमेनिंग आर ऑल्सो इंफिनिटी। बराबर है कि नहीं? अपने को क्या फर्क पड़ता है, अपने पास इतने हैं कि एक गया तो अपने को क्या फर्क पड़ेगा। बराबर ना मनीषा? बराबर ना हिमानी? इतने हैं कि उसमें से एक गया तो भी अपने को क्या फर्क पड़ेगा। and therefore ये जो है वो अगर मैंने इसको अलग किया तो ये जो 1 है दैट इटसेल्फ अगेन इज एक्स, इसको अच्छी तरीके से समझो, दैट इज अगेन एक्स। ये 4+1 इसको अगर मैंने अलग किया तो यहां से जो 4+1 और समथिंग ये जो है वो वंस अगेन इट इज एक्स ओनली। यार तुमको समझा क्या? ये तुमको समझा क्या? And therefore, if I multiply by x on both sides, is x square is equal to 4x plus 1. So x square minus 4x and minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it becomes a quadratic equation. Now it becomes a quadratic equation. So you can find the value of x. By the way, a is 1, b is minus 4, and c is minus 1. So this x is equal to, this is minus 4 plus or minus. So minus of minus 4 plus or minus. This is root of. This is root of. Now this is going to be 16 minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. And that divided by 2 into 1. तो ये होगा 4 plus or minus, this is root of 16 plus 4 is 20 and that by 2. बाळांनो तुमको समझता है क्या? ये तुमको समझता है क्या? So this is 4 plus or minus, this is root of 20. 20 is 5 into 4 and that by 2. So that is equal to, this is 4 plus or minus 2 root 5 that by 2. इसको मैंने स्प्लिट किया तो फिर 2 प्लस और माइनस रूट 5 मिलेगा। तो ये जो x की वैल्यू हमें चाहिए थी वो हो गई 2 प्लस रूट 5 और फिर 2 माइनस रूट 5। इस प्रॉब्लम को स्टार मार्क प्रॉब्लम कहो because that is extremely good question likely to be there in the paper. इसको तुम करो, हम तुमको समय देते हैं। इसको तुम करो और फिर हम तुमको समय देते हैं। तुम इसको करो और फिर हम तुमको समय देते हैं। तुम इसको पूरा करो, तुम इसको पूरा करो। तुम इसको पूरा करो। और एक प्रॉब्लम करेंगे क्या इस तरीके का? इस तरीके का और एक प्रॉब्लम करेंगे क्या? करो स्टार्ट। फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ, find the value of, find the value of square root of, square root of 3 plus 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 and plus dot dot up till infinity. Curve start down. Now, if I consider x is equal to this, I would keep this first root 3 plus, इसको हम सेपरेट रखेंगे, तो कोई बाकी का पार्ट है वो वापिस x होगा, and therefore you are going to get x is equal to square root of 3 plus x. Therefore x square is equal to 3 plus x. So x square minus x minus 3 will be equal to 0. बाळांनो हो ना. X square minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So A is 1, B is minus 1, and C is minus 3. So x is equal to minus of minus 1 plus or minus. This is root of. Now this is 1 minus 4 into 1 into minus 3, and that divided by 2. This is 2 into 1. So this is 1 plus or minus. This will become root of 30. That by 2. And therefore this is 1 by 2 plus root 13 by 2. And 1 by 2 minus root 13 by 2. ये तुम्हारा आंसर हो गया. ये आपका आंसर हो गया. ये तुम्हारा आंसर हो गया. हो असं म्हणा बाळांनो. ये तुम्हारा आंसर हो गया. तुमको ये आंसर मिला है क्या? ये आंसर तुमको मिला है क्या? तो फिर अभी मेरे तरफ देखो कि यहाँ कुछ कुछ होता है, यहाँ कुछ कुछ होता है, कुछ कुछ हो रहा है. Try to understand when I got this number, this b square minus 4ac, I got this as 0. Then the roots are real and equal. Then the roots are real and equal. When this was perfect square, 1 was a perfect square, I got the roots as real and rational. I got the roots as real and rational if that 1 was a perfect square. But when this root was not a perfect square, 5 was not a perfect square, I got the roots as irrational conjugates. And when this number is a negative number, I got the roots as complex conjugates. I got the roots as complex conjugates. And therefore, the very important point in this is the nature of roots. The important point here is the nature of roots. Your roots will be of what nature? Now that will depend the factor b square minus 4ac, which is under the root. B square minus 4ac, that is under the root. And is denoted by delta. And this is called discriminant function. This is known as the discriminant function delta. And that delta will determine the nature of roots. That would determine the nature of roots. Remember, if this delta is 0, then the roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. देखो मेरी तरफ. Put yourself on mute. आवाज बंद करो आपकी. Somebody microphone is disturbing. Just switch it off. Now remember, if this delta if this delta is a perfect square, if this delta is the perfect square, then roots are real. More particularly, they are rational. But if this delta is not a square, if this delta is not a square, then these roots are real and moreover they are irrational. They are irrational. In general, if this delta is greater than or equal to 0, these roots are real. And if this delta is less than 0 means negative, the roots are complex conjugates. They are complex conjugates. What do I mean by conjugate? If one root is a plus ib, then other root is a minus ib. If one root is 2 plus 3i, other root is 2 minus 3i. If this is minus 4 minus I, then this is minus 4 plus I. इस टेबल को अच्छी तरीके से प्रिपेयर करो. कॉम्प्लेक्स मीन्स डेल्टा इज लेस देन 0 and real means delta is greater than or equal to 0. More particularly, if delta is equal to 0, they are real but equal. If that delta is not equal to 0 but it's a perfect square, then it is real rational. हो असं मिळणं, हो असं मिळणं बाळांनो. ये टुमका हो गया है क्या बाळांनो? ये टुमका हो गया है क्या? ये टुमका हो गया है क्या? Okay. Now my next point of note here is, just try to understand. The next note is about, remember if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, if this is the quadratic equation, then importantly, sum of roots, the sum of roots alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, and product of roots, इसको लिखो, product of roots, the product of roots alpha into beta is c upon a. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Alpha into beta is c upon a. मानो लिखो. Then I need to sometimes compute alpha square plus beta square. एक मिनट मेरे तरफ ये adjustment के लिए देखो. That could be written as alpha plus beta the bracket square minus 2 alpha beta. इन एडजस्टमेंट्स को आपको अच्छी तरीके से प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा. इन एडजस्टमेंट्स को आपको ठीक तरीके से प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा. Then remember alpha minus beta the bracket square is alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. So when I take root, I will get the value of alpha minus beta. I shall get the value of alpha minus beta. Third adjustment we require is of alpha square minus beta square. Listen, the third adjustment that we require is alpha square minus beta square. This is alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. लो इन एडजस्टमेंट्स को लिखो और इन एडजस्टमेंट्स को किसी भी हालत में अच्छी तरीके से प्रिपेयर करो. इन एडजस्टमेंट्स को अच्छी तरीके से आपको प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा. Then alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta, and then alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. Write down these adjustments because one problem on this is expected. Alpha cube minus beta cube is alpha minus beta, and then alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta. A cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube का formula. Fine, well then if you want this as 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, that could be written as beta plus alpha over alpha beta. And if you want alpha over beta plus beta over alpha is alpha square plus beta square over alpha beta. This kind of adjustments you have to do. This sort of adjustments you are supposed to do. This kind of adjustments you are supposed to do. This is very, very important. लिखो. This is very, very important. तुम इसको लिखो. तुम इसको लिखो और अच्छी तरीके से लिखो. तुम इसको अच्छी तरीके से लिखो. यह तुम्हारा लिख कर हो गया है क्या? तो फिर I will give you a question. You have to do it on your own. X square करो तुम अपना. X square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Find alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta, sorry, make it alpha into beta, alpha into beta, third alpha square plus beta square, fourth alpha minus beta, fifth alpha square minus beta square, sixth alpha cube plus beta cube, 7 alpha cube minus beta cube, 8 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, 9 alpha over beta plus beta over alpha, 10 alpha square over beta plus beta square over alpha. I am going to leave this question to you to try. This being a very simple question, I am not going to explain it. You are supposed to get it on your own. You are supposed to get it on your own. You are supposed to get it on your own. खो गया है क्या हमारा? नो, ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? हो मेरा बहन, नो। हो असं मिळणार. करो. Tell me alpha plus beta is equal to what? Tell me as the first of this alpha plus beta is equal to what? And that alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, which is minus of minus 1 over 1, which is 1. Then alpha into beta is c upon a, which is minus 1 over minus 1, which is minus 1. Then alpha square plus beta square, already told you the adjustment is alpha plus beta the square minus 2 into alpha beta. ये तुमका आ रहा है क्या? ये तुम्हारा आ रहा है क्या? ये तुमका आ रहा है क्या बाळांनो? हे तुमचं आलंय का? तो करो. Alpha plus beta the bracket square minus 2 alpha beta is alpha square plus beta square. So alpha plus beta being 1 is 1 square minus 2 into minus 1. So it is 1 plus 2, which is 3. This is alpha square plus beta square. Then I want alpha minus beta the bracket square, which is alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. बट उसमें से ये अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर की वैल्यू थी 3 minus 2 into this is minus 1, so this is 5, and as such this alpha minus beta will happen to be plus or minus root 5. रूट लेते हैं तो प्लस माइनस हो सकता है, तो इट इज रूट ऑफ 5 प्लस और माइनस हो बड़ा बड़ा हो बड़ा. Then I consider alpha square minus beta square is alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. But alpha plus beta is 1 and this is plus or minus 5, root 5. And therefore this value is plus or minus root 5. Check. Check and confirm. Then I want alpha cube plus beta cube is alpha plus beta. Then alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. So this is 1, but this is 3. Minus this is minus 1. So this is 4. Therefore this is 4. काही नाही करायचं, just values have to be put, nothing else. Please believe me, please trust me, nothing but to put the values. And then I want alpha cube minus beta cube. I want alpha cube minus beta cube. And when I want alpha cube minus beta cube is alpha minus beta. And alpha square plus alpha beta square. So what it means eventually is that this alpha minus beta is plus or minus root 5. And then into bracket, alpha square plus beta square is 3. And plus alpha minus alpha beta is minus 1. So this is plus or minus 2 root 5. This is plus or minus 2 root 5. Then atwa 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is beta plus alpha and over alpha beta, which is 1, over minus 1, which is minus 1. Then you want alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. So it is alpha square plus beta square over alpha beta. This is 3 over minus 1, which is minus 3. And the last was given to you as alpha square over beta. plus beta square over alpha. It's alpha cube plus beta cube and that over alpha beta. But this value alpha cube plus beta cube we have already got as 4. So 4 upon minus 1 which is minus 4. ये सब values तुमको मिली है क्या? Have you got all these values correct? Because it's very important type of question. It's very important version of question. That is very important version of question. हो असं म्हणा. हो असं म्हणा. And the last point here in is formation of quadratic equation. Formation of quadratic equation. Formation of quadratic equation, and understand if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Because formation of quadratic equation. Formation of the quadratic equation बाळांनो तुम इसको लिखो. ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? बाळांनो ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? हो गया क्या? Good. For example, if the roots of the quadratic equations are, if the roots of quadratic equations are 2 and 3, then the quadratic equation is x square minus 2 plus 3 x square minus 2 plus 3 into x, 2 plus 3 into x plus 2 into 3 is 0. So x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. That's the quadratic equation. That is the quadratic equation. ये तुमको समझा है क्या? इससे ज्यादा कुछ लगने वाला नहीं है. तो today may I give you the homework. Today's homework is going to be in the problem set that I have given to you. In the problem set that I have given to you, you have to consider problem number 1, 2. Problem number 1, 2. Problem number 30. Problem number 1 to problem number 30, you have to try this as homework for the day. Problem numbers 1 to 30. 1 to 30, that you have to try as a homework for the day. तुम ट्राई करेंगे बाळांनो? तुम इसको ट्राई करेंगे क्या? हो बेटा. Stay prepared till tomorrow. Stay prepared with that example. All those examples in fact, the homework. Okay? Stay prepared with those examples. So, goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hmm.